Hello buddies, what is happening? In my previous videos I demonstrated to you how to speed up the germination of pepper seeds and, as a result, achieve much faster sweet pepper seedlings in a shorter period of time. And in this video I will demonstrate to you how to sprout pepper seeds in just a few hours. For this we're going to need 2 cotton pads like these, round or square, it doesn't matter. We'll also need the actual seeds, and here, take a look at how it looks. Each pepper seed has a little nose like this. That is where the root originates. Furthermore, the seed requires a significant amount of time to germinate due to the presence of a sturdy outer layer in this location. The root is unable to emerge from this shell until it has absorbed moisture and the shell has softened. And then we simply take regular scissors and snip off this little nose. Here you go, just a small amount, just a tiny piece. And we place it on this cotton disc. I will demonstrate it to you once again. So we take this small nose and chop it off, as I'll show you once more. Just don't cut too much, so as not to damage the actual seeds and what's inside them. Now we are going to need 2 more deep containers. In one of the containers we pour cold icy water, and in the other container we pour hot water, but not clean boiling water that has just boiled and is still very hot. It is important to use caution when handling the hot water to avoid burns. Heat up the kettle and let it sit for around 20 minutes. This is the type of water we pour at this location. Then we take our small tampon and twist it. Next, we grab a pair of tweezers and carefully proceed to do the following actions step by step. First, we dip into hot water for a few seconds, like 3 seconds, and then 5 seconds in cold water. Now I'll show you everything. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we chop it approximately 5 times in order to reduce its size. We cut down wood 5 times during the day. By doing this, we simulated the natural conditions for seed germination. When spring arrives, the earth warms up and then it cools down once more during the night. Then it warms up once more, then it cools down once more, and it will start growing rapidly. Now we need to take a small cup like this, fill it with a little bit of hot water, just a tiny bit, so that it's only at the bottom of the cup. Let's insert a tampon into the area and place another one on top. You understand? The moisture must be present so that when I apply pressure, it is released, but it remains in the lower layer. And the top tampon, it's needed, so that moisture can penetrate from all sides to the bearing. We snugly press it to the seeds and put it in a warm place so that the air temperature there is approximately plus 25-28 degrees. And after a duration of 10 hours, previously I was unable to watch it due to being engaged in a sprouting activity last night, and upon waking up in the morning I promptly proceeded to watch it. Here is the seed that we have. We are currently in the process of obtaining it and making significant progress. Here's what we observe. In a span of 10 hours, be cautious, as certain seeds have recently begun to awaken. That is the situation. And some seeds have already sprouted a lot. And this means, here's the seed, and look, it's already sprouted. And that means the method really works, and such seeds can already be planted. But with such seed that we trimmed, you gotta be real careful not to lose it. Look, we're taking a container, filling it with soil, compacting the soil so that our seeds don't fall through. We take the seeds that have sprouted, and that's where we grew roots, not a sprout. So we don't put it up like this so that the seed lies, but we put the roots down or just evenly place them, and it will find its way down on its own while the shoot with the seed coat will go up. And we plant each and every seed that has sprouted or is just beginning to sprout. Now you definitely need to cover this seed with soil, making sure it is about 1 centimeter thick, not any thicker, and also tamp it down well to ensure good contact between the seed and the soil for optimal growth and germination. Then we take and water it thoroughly, and of course we take our bag once again, Put it on and place this container back in the location where we initially sprouted the seeds until the sprouts became visible to ensure proper growth and development. And in about 3-4 days we'll get some sprouts. So we've managed to cut down the sprouting time of persimmons from 14 or 20 days to 5. If you liked the video, give it a like, don't forget to share with friends, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new and useful videos. Wish you peaceful skies and robust health. See you in the new videos. See you later.